Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Cancers. So these are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. And for your moon energies today, guys, we'll be picking one card. So we will see what it is as we proceed. Cancers. If you want more clarity, guys, I have the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle reading, guys. Cancers. So let's start with these cards here. For your general energies, we have two of water, love, and Fool. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are feeling really cheerful, happy. Something is inspiring you, something is giving you confidence and happiness, and you are feeling cheerful about yourself, cheerful about the way you are handling your circumstance, or cheerful about some circumstance unfolding in your life. And you feel in your heart of hearts that you will be able to do anything you like or anything you want the way you want. So that is the level of confidence you have today. And it may even look like something impractical, but with your positive intentions and happiness, it is going to manifest, guys. When we have positive intentions towards something, it is going to work like magic in our circumstances. And today, maybe in your life, in your work, or in your relationship, this positivity, sense of cheerfulness, enthusiasm is going a long way, going to help you in many ways today, guys. Cancers. So even in this relationship, maybe you have a beautiful person you are with, you have mutual love, respect and caring, and you are quite emotional today, feeling really blessed, happy for the way things are going. So maybe the both of you are seeing a balanced connection. You love them, they love you, you trust this person, they trust you. So there is a good partnership based on trust, and true love is what is flowering in your relationship, guys. And you have this person who brings out the best in you, and they are inspiring you in a very positive way, and you feel really happy for the way things are going between you both in this relationship, guys. So it is true love, and this love is inspiring you, making you happy, confident about yourself, and you feel truly blessed to be in this connection, to be with this person. And there is this deeper level of connection you have with this person, and the reason maybe this may be your twin flame or a soulmate, guys, you are with. That is the reason for this bond we see with this person, this strong bond and a deep connection we see with these cards. So for your relationship, we picked one card, Ace of Earth. But also at the same time, guys, you are someone who is having a lot of experience, practical knowledge. So you know what will work and what will be the right thing for you, for your life. And you are moving towards that. Maybe you want to have a secure relationship, maybe you want commitment, you are expecting commitment from this person, and you are planning things out for that. Maybe you are thinking of marriage or commitment. with this person, guys. And maybe this relationship will move towards marriage or commitment, guys, because we have a very positive set of cards for your relationship, Cancers. So for your career situation, we have Queen of Fire. So whatever you truly feel is the right thing for you, it's going to work for you, guys, in your work situation. So maybe sometimes you may have inspiration about something. When you're making some decisions, you may feel that this may work, this may not work. If you have that intuition or inspiration, you must go for it. That is going to help you today, Cancers. So for your moon energies, Cancers, we have full moon in Libra. Win-win is the outcome. So whatever is happening right now, you are destined to win today, guys. So you are reaching that happy ending, or if you see that in your relationship you are moving towards a greater responsibility, commitment, you can step towards that happily. So whatever comes your way, you need not fight it, guys, because there is some kind of conclusion, or that completeness is what this card denotes. So this is the time for you to focus on that decision that is coming towards you, guys, whatever it may be. So that is the energy with this card, guys, Cancers, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card here. I will keep this card behind. So for those who chose this card, it says responsibility. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your relationship, in your personal life, you are what you think. So the power of your thoughts are that positive intentions, whatever you have, that is going to make the way the things go in your circumstance, guys. So your thoughts are also the reflection of what you are, what kind of person you are. So if you are a responsible soul, you must be really aware of your thoughts, be really conscious, because that is going to create that reality today, guys. So the power of positive thinking, and when you do something based on thoughts, based on purity of love you have for someone, it is going to simply influence the way things go in this relationship or in your personal life. And also, guys, we should avoid being judgmental. We are not aware of the reason why this person is speaking in such a way, or what is influencing their actions or words, what is the motivation behind that. We never have any idea. So we must have that compassion and love towards the people who are there in our life. So when we do that, we will never be judgmental, and we must, as a responsible people, we must influence others with the way we handle our circumstances, guys. So we should not put it into words and give them some advice. Instead of that, just by the way we live, just by setting that example for others, we will inspire the people in our life through our actions and through the way we lead our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, it says Yin. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship or your work situation, whatever it is, we are often used to doing things our own way, handling the situation just like we do each and every time, based on our knowledge and experience. But today, it may be time you let someone else make that move. Allow someone else. This is the time for you to consciously allow someone, guys. When you do that, you will know what is truly in their hearts. When you permit others to tell you who they are, what they want, and what are their actions, what are their intentions, you will be pleasantly surprised to know the truth and what is in their heart and what they are meant to do. So, even the small gestures and actions are going to give you clarity when you give that power, when you hand over the reins to that other person. So this is the time for you to wait for miracles to unfold, where things are going, how things are shaping up in your relationship or in your work situation. This is not the time for you to take action. This is the time for you to just open up, let love, abundance, and life come towards you, guys, without any demand or expectation on your side. So all you need to do is just wait for things to unfold in your life today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.